Salut YouTube, on se rejoint pour la suite de ce soir. Partie 2 de la partie je sais pas combien, parce que je ne sais plus à combien on est sur YouTube. C'est pas grave, c'est pas... Ah! Bon bah on continue pas la quête principale je suppose. Il est là. C'est la quête où il a dit oui, est-ce que tu peux me rejoindre s'il te plaît? J'ai besoin de toi. Carte au trésor. Oui, oui, on est des bons copains. Oh oui, non, mais là, c'est plus que stylé. Non, j'ai appuyé.
So, how many of my moves can you blade in flight? Time for the main event. Let's rock!
What about this?
Naughty children, don't all better now?
Ready time to jam. Some sword play. Strike with heart.
Parfait. Parfait.
Victories by the blade. Blade in flight. Time for the main event. Keep up. My tempo.
This is our chance.
Practice is over. Swords descend.
You're in bad shape.
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all. Strike with heart. Time for the main event. Let's rock.
What about this? Just a scratch.
Time for a shot. Savor the vigor of it.
Blade in flight. How many of my moves can you strike with heart? Time for the main event. Turn up the volume.
Let's go. Rules are made to be broken.
That'll take more. You're in bad shape.
in flight!
Euh, euh, Non, je ne pense pas que sa carte soit si authentique que ça. C'est là.
Practice is over. Swords descend! Pretty good crowd today.
Ils sont pas intéressés à dire les gens que ce personnage il est pas puissant.
What about this?
I'm okay.
Pourquoi c'est toujours ma bébé Natacha qui prend tout dans sa tête?
Blade in flight! Strike with heart! Time for the main event. Keep up! My tempo! Ready to lose
Utiliser
yourself?
l'ult au cas où, hein.
Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all!
Let's make it quick.
You're in bad shape.
Allez, tiens, meurs.
Time for some sword play. Blade in flight. Let's rock.
Was I think you could take on me?
On veut faire la bagarre? Bon, on fait la bagarre.
So, how many of my moves can you block? Strike with heart. Practice is over. Swords descend. Time for the main event. Turn up the volume.
What about this? Rules are made to be broken! Lightning strike!
Savor the vigor of life.
Victory by the blade.
C'était sûr, mais c'était sûr en fait. C'est de l'esclavagisme là, c'est pur et dur. Non, 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 mais j'ai bisclic. Voilà. s'enlève. Je reviens 2 secondes. Je suis de retour. Oh oui, c'était vraiment 2 secondes. Hein. Je n'ai point menti sur ce point-là. Par contre, l'autre gigoto qui nous raconte toute sa vie, là, toutes ses misères, bon. C'est ça que j'ai oublié, c'est de remettre ma lumière. Elle m'éclate un peu les yeux, je peux vous le dire. Voilà. Alors, elle est où sa véritable carte au trésor? Là. Ok, ça va. On va pas le frapper parce que quand mamie nous a donné un bon coffre. Mais c'est quand même foutu de nous. Bon, je crois qu'il n'y a plus qu'un truc à faire. Hein. Faire la mission principale.
Wonder if I'll discover any rare swords.
Après, dès qu'on a fini la mission principale, je ferai un autre vœu.
This I really wasn't expecting.
So, the moles are a part of Wildfire.
That's right. It's me, Pitch Dark, the Great. What do you want?
Kiddo, I think there's been a misunderstanding. I will be your guide, friends, by order of Chief Oleg. I gotta say I'm a little upset at the thought of you choosing a toddler over your old buddy Sampo.
All right, don't get started. But I want to ask you something. Everyone in Wildfire knows the location of Svarog's lair. Why do we need you as a guide?
My specialty's in the field, perhaps. Wildfire may know where the base is, but have they ever been inside?
You've been inside?
No, but I felt my way around the outside and picked up more than a few clues.
Ça tombe.
You have my word. Hey, what are you trying to say? Name me someone above or below ground that walks the dock like Sempo Koski. My legacy will prove that Sempo Koski was nothing but a willing and devoted servant of...
Well, enough. Jeez, we believe you, okay? Show us the way already.
Great! Stay close.
Non, en vrai, commençons pas à me faire pitié. Mais voilà.
Sampo, are we there yet?
Do you have to ask every other...
This is Svarog's lair? I thought it'd be cold and lifeless. Turns out it's pretty busy.
Many vagrants are staying here temporarily. Their homes were overrun by monsters.
Isn't it dangerous for them to make camp right under...
No.
J'ai mis this.
Svarog may be ruthless, but he never attacks without reason. For those with no home, this is actually a safe place to be. If I hadn't moved away when I did, I'd probably be where they are right now.
Et non, c'est le mien.
What a heavy gate. Okay, watch this. Open sesame! Is that a secret code or something?
It's an imaginary password that children like to use. And I don't think it's going to be of much use.
I was just about to get into those before Miss March's colorful attempt. Luckily for us, I've already figured out the mechanism for this gate. They don't just let any Joe Schmo in and out of Boss Farog's territory. I mean, if you want to see the big cheese himself, you need certification.
Certification?
Correct. Only prospectors with the right certification can get in or out. These prospectors collect mechanical remnants from all over the underground and then bring them to Svarog for him to repair. Honestly, it's a very profitable little venture. Only I'd beaten them to it. They'd be calling me Sempo Bosky by now.
Time out. Where do we get this certification?
Oh, that's simple. You see the robots over by the Vagrants? They're all Svarog scouts. Every one of them is commanded to maintain order here. Apart from keeping a watchful eye on these hooligans, another one of their duties is processing. Anyone who wants to become a prospector has to pass a test from these walk-in stoplights first. Not a clue. I never had the urge to go on a Svarog suicide mission before. You guys are the ones that want in. Why not go and ask the robots?
It feels like the people here are all under the supervision of robots. This would be unthinkable on the surface. Robots are merely tools in the overworld.
Don't take Svarog as an ordinary robot. He's, special.
Hold still. You're nearly fixed.
My design has been superseded by newer models. My components are no longer valuable.
Hey, what are you talking about?
Alas, this place is a bit of a mixed bag. Plenty of character.
This has to be one of them, right?
It looks so lame.
Is it even awake in there? Maybe it's broken down. That scared me.
Protocol. Initiating. Scanning. Verifying. Certification failure. Subject has yet to obtain access permissions. Launching processing.
Huh? Are we starting now?
Launching stage 1 processing. Please listen to the following question. Who is the reigning champion of the Internal Combustion Engine Rap Tournament?
Infernal construction what now? How would we know anything about that?
Sampo, do you know?
Sempo Bosky always knows that. Wait, what did it say again?
Aren't you supposed to be dependable?
Well, I don't know everything. Sometimes you gotta ask around if you want to know the answer. Don't panic. Let's listen in to what the Vagrants are talking about. We might just hit the jackpot.
Please answer the following question. Who is the correct answer?
Whoa! Was that a lucky guess? Did you go to a music festival without us?
Certification results.
Ok, j'ai même plus de la luck là, c'est...
Please extend your right hand.
My right hand? Here you go. Why is this part of the... hey, ow, ow, ow! So this is the certification mark?
Great. Only 2 more steps to go. Let's move.
No! You can't insert the microcrystalline unit into the heat sink substrate like that.
How do you know? Ballaway from Miner's Lamp said that you need to pay attention to the interfaces when assembling relics. To make this thing move again, we need to connect the microcrystalline unit to the operating brake module. Otherwise, it's just a pile of scrap metal.
If you believe a word that senile idiot Ballaway says, you're done for. You should be asking people. I saw him connecting a microcrystalline
Bien le bonjour, c'est là. Oui, je joue un Kai. C'est pas bien. C'est trop bien. Ah, j'ai eu peur, j'ai cru que c'était pas bien.
Protocol. Initiating. Scanning. I'm so sick of repeating this.
Coucou. Comment vas-tu?
What did this bucket of bolts just say?
Seems like this one's got a temper.
Let's get this over with. Did you get your first certification? If not, then you're wasting your time.
You mean this? Here, look.
Yeah, whatever. There's no question. Listen up.
Parce que tu joues PRC, ou que tu sois pas sur... Ah, mais oui, mais... Ouais.
Connected to which component?
Oui. Mais en ce moment, je fais plus tellement de jeux multijoueurs. Je joue qu'à Valorant, mais quand je joue avec des potes. Du coup, après, si tu veux qu'on joue à R6 ensemble, je peux revenir sur R6. Après, je ne promets pas. Je ne promets... Oh, ça va. Voilà, j'ai oublié ce que j'étais en train de dire. J'espère que t'as compris. Ça va? Bah ça va, écoute. Tu fais plus le genre multi, trop triste. Les gens m'ont saoulé. À force qu'il y ait des toxiques, genre le jeu il est plus aussi sympa, on va dire, qu'avant. Après c'est un ressenti personnel, hein. C'est beaucoup de gens doivent aimer. Mais voilà. Voilà. Mais après je joue au jeu en multi, mais avec mes potes. Genre quand je dis je joue plus en jeu en multi, je joue plus au Pampan multi. Si je joue à Valorant, mais bon. Tu multi PvE. Je pourrais. Après, je joue plus en solo en ce moment. Genre. Ok, par exemple. Du coup, bah. Voilà. Après, tu me dis, je veux jouer à ce jeu avec toi, bah. Si le jeu m'intéresse un minimum, je le prends, je l'installe et on joue ensemble.
Just for you. Turn up the volume.
This is our chance.
How about this?
You're in bad shape. Just in time. Just a little something. Think nothing of it.
Call of Duty Gold War Zombie. Bah, j'y joue pas. Après, genre, je sais pas si la question c'est est-ce que tu y joues?
Naughty children, savor the vigor of it.
Rules are made to be broken.
Blade in flight.
Learn how to behave now.
Dommage, je réfléchis des jeux multi PvE, pas trop prise de tête. Ah non mais t'inquiète. Après, je joue. Tu sais genre, encore au jeu de bonbons, tu vois. Mais c'est juste, ce que je voulais dire, c'est que j'y joue plus toute seule pour moi-même. Parce que de base, R6, c'était bah, je joue toute seule et puis je m'amuse. Mais aujourd'hui, c'est plus je joue pour mes potes. Donc si après tu veux qu'on joue à R6 ensemble, normalement R6 il est encore installé sur mon PC. Je l'allume et on joue quoi. Et j'aime bien quand tu m'écris des petits messages.
See, not so bad having Sampo on the team after all, huh? Right? Chief Oleg knew all along that I...
Yeah. I'll commend you to the chief. No need to waste your time.
R6 j'ai décroché. Ah bah voilà. Zut.
A gate?
It looks like
Surtout
this
mon
gate
PC
has a
tient
more
pas. Ah.
complicated structure than the
Oh non,
last
ça c'est
one.
chiant.
Sampo, what is this?
Du coup, ça, t'as totalement raté les streams?
Huh? Sampo? Oh, where is he?
Where did he run off? He was just here a second ago.
This isn't the first time.
It's that same type of robot again. Ugh, please don't tell me there's another round of processing.
Visitors for Svarog detected. Protocol initiating. Scanning. Verifying.
Oh, good plan. Treat the robots like guard dogs.
J'ai arrêté depuis 2 ans, je me suis concentrée sur d'autres choses. Bah c'est nice. Franchement, tant que tout va bien dans ta vie, t'es heureuse et que t'as trouvé des choses qui te plaisent, c'est un peu ce qui compte.
Visitors must acquire access permissions from Miss Clara.
Clara?
Et t'as trouvé des nouvelles activités qui te plaisent? Tu es partagé ou c'est privé?
What's she got to do with this? Family. Huh, weird.
Don't trouble yourself about it. We need to find her. I don't know if this will work, but it's worth a try. Where is Clara right now?
Obtaining audio data. Please wait.
The energy core's bearing component is broken. If we don't repair it soon, the settlement will be pitch black. Timmy, I'm going back to Rivet Town. Maybe I can recover some usable components. You need to guard the gate while I'm gone.
Recording recovery complete. Resuming execution of Clara's commands.
She went back? We were just
Après, si on me
there.
propose de R6 ou...
Sounds like we better head over
on peut le voir,
again.
mais j'ai plus la patience de jouer en solo à DF. Voilà, exactement. On est du même avis.
As fun as you think.
That little girl heading into the Fragmentum all by herself? Ugh, it doesn't bear thinking about. Her strength belies her appearance, but even so...
You don't look so tough yourself. Well, let's find her. Svarog's not going anywhere.
C'est nice. Tu m'enverras ton...
This is a big
Compte Insta?
town. Where should we start?
Claire said she was going to find components, right? Let's start with Nat's storage room.
Voilà.
Isn't this the robot that was following Clara around?
Et surtout, j'ai plus la foi de me faire rouler dessus par des gens.
Openers all look the
Et les
same.
streams fonctionnaient pas vraiment.
Tell them
Ah bah, moi aussi, entre guillemets, j'ai 3 viewers en moyenne. Mais
Initializing self-repair module.
j'aime ça.
Initialization failure. Clara in danger.
Après,
Must
si t'as pas la foi, faut pas s'obliger, hein, faut que ce soit un passe-temps. Sinon, ça devient ton travail.
workshop.
Et là, c'est pas comme les petits streams, en tout cas comme moi je fais. Même tu as encore le feu sacré, moi je préfère soutenir. Oh, c'est gentil.
it mean that a monster appeared over at the workshop? Clara, she...
Not good. She's in danger. Quick, let's head over to the workshop and check it out. I know the way. Just as we feared, there's something big over there. And there's Clara. We have to save her.
Let's go. No need to fear. We have the numerical advantage.
Oui, oui, à la fin on termine à 4, mais t'inquiète. 5, oui, 4.
A strong adversary. Help me, Blade. In flight.
Même Minecraft, ça me passe trop. Ah ouais?
Swords descend.
Non, Minecraft en solo en vrai j'aime bien. Mais après c'est parce que j'aime le côté mining, etc. Donc c'est chill.
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all.
D'accord.
Pretty good crowd today.
Let's make it quick. What about this?
Not enough time.
A wolf strike with heart. This song, let's rock.
Here comes the medicine.
Oh mais laisse-la tranquille. Il y a un truc perso contre Natacha.
You're in that shape.
Strike with heart. Let's rock.
Let's go.
Time for some soul. Blade in flight.
Savor the vigor of it.
Ah non, non, non. Il va pas se réveiller le coco.
Are you okay, Clara? Are you hurt?
Thanks, everyone.
Perso, j'aime creuser et créer des labyrinthes avec des pièges ou des trucs sympas. Tu fais mes potes sont des bulles d'air, donc
You shouldn't be running around
très vite
by
dépasser,
yourself.
ça me
It's
saoule.
too
C'est
dangerous.
factoré, j'arrive.
What are you
Plus car les
looking
gens
for
avec qui
here?
je joue me prennent trop d'avance.
There's
Ouais,
a
monsieur.
vault with
Ah
more
ouais.
energy
Mon père joue à Satisfactory, donc je l'ai regardé jouer. Mais il joue en solo, donc...
I knew there was a workshop in this town, so I wanted to try my luck here. I found all the components I need, but then I ran into a monster. You guys saved me. I'll tell Mr. Svarog about it. Huh? What do you need to see him for? I can pass him a message.
No. This time, we need to set things straight with him face to face. Can you take us to meet him?
But Mr. Svarog doesn't like talking to others, especially Wildfire.
Don't I know it? But he's evaded communication with us for too long. This time, we have to see him.
I know you're working hard to get people down here, but Mr. Svarog doesn't trust human emotions. He only trusts his calculation results. So, I can't take you to see him. If Mr. Svarog and you had a fight, someone would get hurt for sure. Maybe even bystanders.
Listen, kid. You...
Clara, you said it yourself before, right? Svarog's duty is to protect the underworld and preserve the civilization here.
Trop la tête et ça me saoule
We
car c'est
have the
plus un jeu.
same wish.
Mais un truc au petit, donc ça me saoule pas.
Please cooperate with us.
Après, il y en a, ce qui leur plaît, c'est de rendre tout au petit. Hein. Comme dans Minecraft. Il y en a, c'est ce qui leur plaît.
People's wishes,
D'autres préfèrent aller plus
follow
chill,
logical judgment.
tranquille.
Terrible things are happening on this world. Mr. Svarog thinks that the overworld will end soon.
What?
According to his calculation results, the strength of the Underworlders won't be enough to prevent the disaster. His plan is to keep the Underworlders away from the source of the disaster so they can survive for longer.
Isn't that just putting us in a cage? It's ridiculous. What difference does it make if our death gets postponed a couple of days? How is that better than putting up a fight?
D'accord. C'est marrant, mais en solo, t'avais vite fait le tour. Non mais tu sais quand le jeu très lentement, je me fais dépasser. Ouais. Bah après, les jeux, dès que t'en as marre, tu passes à autre chose. C'est un peu ça les jeux.
I'll definitely return the favor, but not like this. If you don't mind, I still have important things to do. I'll go back now.
Clara!
It's no use, Zila. She's made up her mind. I could tell from her expression. We'll
Tu vas
have
pas
to
encore
think
tenter
on
les...
another way.
That's no ordinary
Je ne connais
kid.
pas du tout.
So young and yet so stubborn? No. Intelligent?
She's
Du coup non, j'ai
incisive
pas encore tenté.
and determined. In sharp contrast to you, March.
Did you really have to add that last part?
It looks like we'll have to get past Clara if we want to speak to Svarog.
Et nouveau jeu que tout le monde joue. Attends, je... Ah oui, d'accord, ce jeu. Non. Perso trop cher pour juste faire plaisir à des potes pour jouer avec eux. Bah, c'est pas le style de jeu auquel je joue. Peut-être un jour je serai intéressée, mais quand les prix ils auront baissé quoi.
Then good luck persuading that mass of metal.
Clara mentioned Svarog's calculation results many times. The strength of the Underworlders won't be enough to prevent the disaster. Those were her exact words. For me, that's our starting point.
So, you think Svarog's logic has a hole in it?
No. His calculation is correct. At its current strength, it is highly unlikely that Wildfire would be able to resolve the problems stemming from the Stellaron. However, that calculation didn't take the present situation into
T'as
account.
raison, c'est marrant, mais j'arrive pas à me synchroniser.
There's a new
Avec
variable
mon ami
yet to
pour
be
Games for...
added
Ah,
to the equation.
ça c'est con. Quand t'as enfin un jeu avec ton pote mais que t'y arrives pas.
Precisely. If we can make Svarog believe in us, we can almost certainly overturn the result of his calculation. And we'll be one step closer to peace talks.
But how can we get him to do that? Showing him some of our photos wouldn't cut it, right?
There's always a way. First, we have to convince Clara. I assume she must be on her way back to the robot settlement. Let's catch up with her.
Parfait, il monte TP.
She turned that way, quick! Huh? Where'd she go? We just saw her go this way. We'll just have to head...
Bon, j'ai paniqué.
Time for some swordplay.
On va en retraite. Et on revient avec la bonne personne. What the fuck, j'ai des messages.
So, how many
C'était
of
moi,
my
je suis
moves can
désolée.
you block? Strike with heart.
Pretty good crowd today.
Voilà. Donc là, je farm. Ça va rusher avec des amis, mais ce jeu, j'ai envie de le maîtriser. Et le moment où les ennemis sont toxiques, quand le fun est absent. Bah ouais. Putain, mais je préfère cause des joueurs toxiques, j'ai arrêté. Ouais, bah, on trouve tous notre jeu qui nous donne un peu de motivation.
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all.
You're in bad shape.
Time for some swordplay. Blade in flight. Practice is over. Swords descend. Keep up. My tempo.
This is our chance.
Nap time.
Après, j'ai 900 heures dessus, donc j'ai fait le tour. Ah bah oui, c'est sûr.
Best is yet to come.
Why won't it? Ah, I can't figure it out. Oh, it's you. You came with me after all. You keep saying that, but
Are you repairing this installation, Clara? Hit a snack?
huh? How did you know?
The dimensions and wear of these two roller components look very different from the rest of the unit. You must have only just replaced them. You replaced the damaged components, but the unit isn't starting up as normal. That's what you're trying to figure out, right?
Yeah, I fixed a lot of things before, but I never had to repair one as complicated as this.
Why isn't Svarog helping you?
I don't want to disturb him. This installation was accidentally damaged by two of the vagrants. If Mr. Svarog finds out, they'll get in big trouble.
You know, Clara, if you're too kind, people can take advantage of you.
Ah. I think I found the source of the problem. You replaced the rollers, but the bearing is causing problems. And there's a misalignment. You two, give me a hand. We should be able to fix it between us.
More fixing? I'm getting good at this.
Can we really fix this?
Relax.
Less asking.
Oui, non, mais c'est moi qui travaille. Hein. Bon, ça va, c'était simple.
It lit up. Thanks, guys.
No need. We hardly lifted a finger. So, the settlement's energy supply problem is solved for the time being?
Yes. The people on the outskirts don't need to worry about heat or light now. I understand. You helped a lot of injured people in the mine, and you risked going into the town for supplies. You're good people. If there's any other way I can help you, I'll do my best. But this...
How are we gonna convince her? we look like Underworlders?
Well, you do look very different from other people.
Right! That's because we're not from here. We've never been a factor in Svarog's calculations. And if those calculations are based solely on the strength of the Underworlders, then the results don't apply to the present situation.
When did Svarog start doing his calculations, Clara?
It was a long time ago. The same time the Underworld was sealed off, I think.
Circumstances have changed since then. There's a Silvermane guard down here now. Is that part of Svarog's calculation? Not to mention we're... Just tell her already. We come from a different planet. There's just no way that Svarog's calculations would have included variables like us, you know?
Different planet? Don't treat me like a child. Those are just made-up stories that grown-ups like to tell. I don't...
N'oubliez pas de boire de l'eau, les enfants.
Hey, me and Marge aren't lying, Clara. I believe them.
Rania, do you really?
I know how you feel, Clara. You want New Hope of the Underground, but you don't want anyone to get into this process, right? I also have doubts, but my gut tells me that March, Dan, Hung, and he, they are the New Hope this world has been waiting for. Let them meet Svarog, and let's see if his calculation result is any different. For you, for him, there's no harm in trying, right?
Okay, I'll take you to see Mr. Svarog.
Really? Awesome!
I understand now. Trying to change Mr. Svarog's mind on my own would take forever. Even if I kept trying until I was all grown up, I don't think I could do it. And all the while, people would be getting sick, losing their homes, and fighting. Just like in the mine. I don't want that to happen. If you guys really believe that you can convince Mr. Svarog, then I need to be brave too. Everyone, follow me.
Rania, I didn't know you'd stick up for us like that back there. Well said.
It was nothing. I just said what I truly felt.
C'est mignon. Je vais vraiment au seul endroit qui est bloqué.
Welcome back, Miss Clara.
Timmy, open the gate, please. I want to see Mr. Svarog.
Outsiders detected. Do you wish to permit access?
It's okay. They're all my guests.
Command received. Access restrictions.
Il est mignon, Timmy. C'est pas comme Timmy dans Genshin avec ses pigeons là.
If you can.
It's okay, Clara. We're here to reason with him.
I'll leave negotiations to you guys. They're not my strong point.
Negotiating with robots. I can't say I've tried it before.
Are you ready?
Ah oui. Ah, moi je voulais une... D'accord. Bon, c'est pas grave. Combat! Papa! Je pense que ça va être un boss quand même.
I see that the energy supply system is back online. Thank you, Clara. But why have you brought them?
Mr. Svarog, they want to talk to you about going to the surface.
Analyzing. Analysis result. Target does not belong to Wildfire. Background unknown. Classification unknown. You have arrived Flara's recommendation. I will give you an opportunity to speak.
Oh, hey, sounds like he's willing to communicate. Quick, time to smooth talk him.
An inadequate pretext. You are not from the underground. You have no right to represent underworld humanity.
Mais Coco.
Proceed with your central point. Do not waste this world's valuable time.
He cut you off completely.
Stay focused. Remember, we have to make him see that we're a variable in the calculation.
Stellaron. Searching database. Access denied. Discussing Stellaron with unauthorized targets. Prohibited. You are broaching a secret that lies at the heart of this world. A secret that should remain unknown to humanity. Reassessing targets.
Mais non!
Index raised. I demand that you reveal your true intention.
As expected. He knows of the Stellaron, but it's a restricted topic.
We've come this far. Out with it already. Just be straight with him. Everything depends on it.
Historical records state that humanity has already made multiple efforts to engage with the Stellaron. Without exception, these efforts have been motivated by human greed, attempts to secure the article for a selfish end. As instructed by the architects, any attempt to engage with the Stellaron will result in grave consequences.
What should we do? This is going from bad to worse.
There is no evidence to suggest you are an exception. Calculation result remains. Peacekeeping protocol temporarily disengaged. Requesting extermination.
Ah moi aussi, ils veulent pas qu'on parle comme quoi on n'est pas ici.
These talks are over. March. Prepare for combat.
Mr. Svarog, please don't.
Leave, Clara.
Clara, it's dangerous here. Find somewhere to hide.
Looks like we have to take action after all.
Prototype number 3. Monitoring automaton Svara. Extermination protocol launch. Successful. Annihilation permitted.
A strong adversary. Help me improve.
Ok. Je vais faire un truc. Je vais faire une team avec... Donc il faut... Lui. Et une hileuse. Tous niveau 20. On y va à la loc. C'est parti!
I'm back, Mr. Svarog.
Oh! Calme. Non mais c'est bon, t'as fait quelque chose? Non, pas encore. Calme ton fiac, s'il te plaît.
Everything is ordained by the star. Oh, profound secrets of the stars. Give these trailblazers your blessing.
You have the worst luck running into me. Stay right there while I give you a present.
Nap time.
The truth of life and death with this sanctuary is but a vision.
A guest with no manners, huh? Look out. With me out here, how can we lose? You can't run.
Calculating assault.
Just in time. Just a little.
Il me saoule, ils attaquent toujours Natacha, genre en général. Laissez Maïlos tranquille.
Me won't earn you any favors.
Savor the vigor of it.
I told ya I could fight. Stay right there while I give you a present. Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move.
Analysis complete.
Try that again.
How can you put up your best fight without a doctor on the battlefield? All of you, stay focused. I'm right behind you.
Nat, how did you...
Guess you guys had a bad talk, huh? Luckily, Senpo's got your back.
Oh, elle est gentille.
I knew you'd be involved somehow.
Je comprends rien au combat. Oui, c'est un peu original comme combat, mais bon. Oui, non, mais lui, il veut se friter avec tout le monde. Ouais, je regardais pas. C'est bon la triche ou je te dérange?
Just a little something. Think nothing of it.
Saving me won't earn you any favors.
The truth of life and death, with this sanctuary, is but a vision.
Everything's ordained by the so profound secrets of the stars. Give these trailblazers your blessing.
Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move.
Move carefully.
With me out here, how can we lose?
You're in bad shape.
I don't remember to look out.
Je comprends de moins en moins ce jeu. Pourquoi? Qu'est-ce qui t'a fait le jeu? Non, je blague, je blague.
Stay right there while I give you a present.
Savor the vigor.
Après, c'est aussi parce que je vais vite. En gros, A c'est l'attaque normale et E c'est l'attaque. La deuxième attaque. On est. Ah! Je ne comprends pas ce que tu voulais dire. Ah, on est d'accord que c'est un gâchis de base. Que je ne sais pas. Je n'ai aucune idée.
Try that again.
Calculating assault.
You can't run.
Naughty children. You're in bad shape.
A guest with no manners, huh? Who's the lucky one today?
Step aside. I have no interest in taking.
Non, pourquoi j'ai utilisé mon E pour rien?
Executing operation. Analysis complete.
Everything's ordained by the star. Profound secrets of the stars.
Tu as des chances de gagner avec des persos avec des points de manière aléatoire. Non, c'est... Oui. Bah oui. Bah c'est comme Genshin en fait, donc oui. Ce que je trouve un peu dommage, mais bon. Enfin, en même temps, j'aime. Du coup, je peux pas dire que c'est dommage. Mais voilà.
You're in bad shape.
Ok, mais tes persos, tu les as tous eu en freeplay. Alors, les personnages de base, tu les as en freeplay. Après, tu peux faire des vœux. Tu utilises l'argent du jeu. Enfin, tu peux aussi utiliser de l'argent réel, mais moi, j'utilise pas mon argent dans le jeu. Mais tu utilises l'argent du jeu et tu te payes des vœux. Aléatoire. Tu ne payes pas pour le personnage que tu veux. Oui, donc tu as eu tout. Des vœux qu'en freeplay. Bah, avec des vœux. Payant avec de la monnaie que tu gagnes dans le jeu petit à petit, mais c'est pas non plus du freeplay. Genre, ces deux personnages, oui. Lui, tu le gagnes au bout d'un moment. Elle... Je sais plus si tu la gagnes ou si tu dois... Moi, j'ai pas vu qu'elle avait pas de vie. Je sais plus si tu dois le faire en... Ouais, tu fais comme Genshin. Astra, je crois que tu l'as gagné aussi gratuitement. Je sais plus. J'ai une mémoire un peu... Elle se souvient de ce qui l'arrange, quoi. Non! Quoi? Quoi? Il vient de one shot mon... Il a one shot? Il a one shot? Mais je peux pas gagner sans lui. C'est mon atout principal. Ça change les dégâts que tu fais par rapport à mon dégâts Genshin. Ah bah c'est sûr que les deux jeux ils sont totalement différents. Ah bah peut-être mets-toi une protection aussi concrètement. Non! Pas la main de l'enfer. Je le mets en rapide parce que... Oh, c'est vraiment de l'accélérer. Non! Arrête de kidnapper des personnages! C'est quoi ça? Arrête! Je vais perdre. Je veux pas perdre contre Svarog quoi, genre... Oh bah non 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 non, calme-toi. Ouh, heureusement que j'ai une nileuse. Au revoir tes personnes. Mais vraiment, je veux pas. Déjà la fin de la rupture. Ah non, mais si je perds, je pleure.
Here comes the medicine.
Thanks a lot.
Kidnapping. Mais putain, arrête, one shot. Stop.
Everything's ordained by the stars.
Comment ça, il me one shot?
These trailblazers your blessing.
Tiens.
For the vigor of it. Just a little something. Think nothing of it.
Saving me won't earn you any favors. Who's the lucky one?
Ok. En vrai, il y a peut-être une chance. Peut-être. À part s'il fait son gros coup.
No manners, huh?
Ne manners, hein. Peut-être. Fais des dégâts.
Saving me.
Vas-y, j'ai le seum. Mais non, mets pas la main. Arrête. Toujours le kidnapping. Elle se booste toute seule là.
Profound secrets of the scars. Give these trailblazers your blessing.
Bah t'es toute seule. Pardon. Ouais bah j'ai perdu hein.
Who invited you? A gift from the stars.
Mais pourquoi elle fait pas de dégâts? Arrête! Non! Je savais pas qu'elle était de retour sur le champ. Oh. Bon bah on va refaire l'équipe. Toi tu te casses, on va prendre lui. Toi tu... Ah j'ai... On va essayer comme ça. Si, je vais pleurer. Mais vas-y. Mais aussi. Ah, elle sert à rien, March. Alors que normalement, je tourne sur elle.
A strong adversary. Help me.
Alors, est-ce qu'il fait des dégâts? Tu vois, lui, il fait un peu de dégâts. Ouais, non, mais elle se fait éclater la gueule. J'ai oublié de la monter de level.
Just for you. Keep up. My tempo.
Time for a shot.
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with
Ouais, non, j'ai peut-être besoin quand même de...
conquer us all.
Je sais pas quoi faire. Je ne sais pas quoi faire.
Here comes the medicine.
Don't worry about me.
Time for some sword play.
Non. Non. Laisse-les tranquilles. On a dit c'était pas bien le harcèlement.
Naughty children, don't listen. All better now?
Don't worry about me.
Don't worry about me. 2 DPS, 2 heal. Bah... Non. 1 heal. 3 DPS. Mais je sais pas pourquoi je l'ai prise elle. Attends. Je vais battre en retraite. Je vais la dégager parce qu'elle est... Elle est nulle. Ou 2 DPS, un soutien, 1 heal. Ouais, donc je vais rester sur elle. Je suppose.
I'm back, Mr. Svarog.
Vas-y, on essaie. Je vais essayer de pas mourir en 5 minutes. Mais si Coco il commence, même pas on respire. Il... Oh! Tu vois, direct il va vers elle. Oh ben 1.
A guest with no manners.
Here comes the medicine.
Time for some sword play. Strike with heart.
Step aside. I have no times now.
Look out.
Mais exécute machin truc. Arrête de vouloir exécuter tout le monde. C'est pas parce qu'ils respirent qu'ils sont méchants.
Don't worry about
Pardon. Vas-y, me saoule. Et après, si je me refais défoncer, je vais aller tryhard pour les level up. Hein. Parce que c'est bien le tryhard apparemment. Oh, voyez, menu. Tu perds les nerfs. Sur quel personnage? Ah oui, c'est vrai que... Et lui, il reprend toute sa vie. Ah non, ça va. Alors en général, tu perds un câble dans son... Oui. Ah, je parlais nerfs, genre... Oui. Bah, souvent, je perds pas un câble, c'est que quand il y a des boss. Parce qu'ils me saoulent, les boss. En plus, lui, il est simple. Je crois que je l'ai fait en une fois sur mon compte principal. Attends, elle refait un compte ça? Ouais, c'est un compte que je fais que en stream. Parce que y a une histoire à suivre et je me suis dit que ce serait une bonne idée que ceux qui aiment puissent suivre l'histoire. Voilà. Ah ok, oui. Pas la main de l'enfer. Aïe. Mais tes deux comptes sont en freeplay? Bah ils sont tous en freeplay les comptes. Ah, tu comptes pas? Enfin tu payes pas pour des nouveaux comptes. Non! Il va pas le tuer lui. Oh! Casse-couille. Il pouvait pas monter jusqu'au bout comme elle. Mais non, mais s'il me tue celui qui me fait des dégâts... Je sais pas. Dans le même sens l'autre. Tu as pas payé d'argent. Bah lui non plus j'ai pas payé d'argent. Je pas payé sur les jeux. Je paye pour acheter le jeu, mais après je paye pas souvent sur les jeux. Espèce de moche. T'es plus raisonnable que moi. Ouais. Bah j'essaye, écoute. Après j'ai acheté un skin sur Valorant. C'était mon petit moment un peu fanfolle. Arrête de défoncer la gueule de tout le monde. Quand je me dis que ça après ça va aller sur YouTube. Je préfère pas m'avancer. Oui. Bon. Hein. Quand est-ce que tu meurs, ma mamie? Aïe. Arrête. Elle va mourir. Elle... Et con. Bonjour Fire. Déjà merci pour ton abonnement, c'est ton 32e mois. consécutifs. C'est énorme. Du coup, bah merci beaucoup. Et ça va et toi, Couping? Aïe. Oh non, il va me la tuer. Ma healeuse est morte. J'ai peut-être payé sur Genshin Overwatch Tower. Non, mais oui, mais c'est pas grave. Non, mais j'ai... Non, il aurait... Overwatch, oui, oui. Je m'en doute. Et va me kidnapper un des deux. Et va prendre des dégâts. Et voilà. Quoi? Attends, pardon, quoi? Bah moi ça va tranquillement. Bah c'est nice, écoute. Oh, let's go. Vas-y le Avec le dernier perso qui avait quasiment pas de... Je suis trop contente. Oh la jambe d'air c'était si dur. J'ai galéré. Pour aucune raison, j'ai galéré.
Mr. Svarog, don't push yourself any further. Can you tell them what you know? Mr. Svarog, you said you were willing to make all my wishes come true, right? My biggest wish right now is for everyone to work together. Like family. Recently, I learned something new. Calculation results can't always bring people happiness. Even if the world outside the cage isn't beautiful, people still want to know what it's like.
Assessment system reset. Successful. Processing variables. Variable 1. Clara's request. Variable 2. Outsider's intentions. Updated assessment result. Transference of decision-making authority to outsiders. Outsiders are granted access to Stellaron intelligence.
So we did it? Yeah, without her, even if we defeated Svarog, there's no way he'd have given us access to the intel, right?
I hope his memory bank really does contain data on the Stellaron.
Is this it, Nat? Us? Wildfire? The Underworld? Did we win?
No, Zila. Our battle, their battle. It's just beginning. Finally. Finally made it.
What's up? Nervous?
No. But I do have an aching feeling in my chest.
Toi aussi t'as intérêt à boire. Hein.
I'm ready. Reveal the truth. I'm listening.
C'est le dernier survivant. Non, je vais quand même aller les heal. Bah si, il faut boire en fait. Tu peux pas m'obliger à moi à boire et toi ne pas boire. Ah, tu as mis tes points que je les utilise. Oui, c'est vrai.
Requesting database materials cache, serial number 13175. Encryption level highest. Request approved. Transmission.
This is the fruit of many years of research, Madam Guardian. The evidence is irrefutable. This so-called Stellaron
Rien ne m'y oblige. Moi si.
all the destruction.
The people will struggle to accept this conclusion, Doctor. If we were to tell them that the almighty Elisa Rand activated this thing and triggered the internal freeze.
It's the truth, madam. The truth won't change with the opinions of the people. The reports before you, a precious result of painstaking effort on the part of Belobog's greatest scholars. You must trust the weight of its conclusion.
I have never doubted you, Doctor. On the contrary, I am resolute in the face of this conclusion. From the moment I took up this mantle, that voice, their voice, has made its home in my mind. I cannot shake them. I shouldn't be telling you this. Let's return to your research, Doctor. I'm afraid I cannot make these reports known to the public, unless...
Unless what? Please, proceed, madam.
Unless you have found a way to completely destroy the Stellaron.
I understand. In the name of preservation, I will fulfill this mission.
Cache number 13175. Transmission complete. Next transmission. Cache number 24830.
I don't understand, Doctor. Why do we have to hide such valuable research results away? They're the work of a lifetime.
You're still young, child. There will come a day, when you do understand. This Supreme Guardian, she sees further than you or I. All the decisions are for the security of Belobog.
I just think it's a shame. Our research has hit an obstacle. Meanwhile, your results will be buried in the snow.
Don't be upset, child. You still have lots of time ahead of you. When you find a way to destroy the Stellaron, our efforts will have been worth it.
Cache number 24830. Transmission complete. Next transmission. Cache number 57614.
Why is there a robot here?
During his life, this was Dr. Mearsheimer's personal robot bodyguard. I heard it's a prototype from the Great War. Since the doctor and his assistants passed away, it's remained here. It hasn't moved an inch.
Oh, I see. Let's start. We must unearth the doctor's research conclusions. All of them.
Madam Guardian, I've found them. All the documents are here.
Good. That'll do.
Madam Guardian, what should we do with the robot?
It would seem a great waste to destroy it. Find someone to reset its system, and then arrange for it to be sent to the underworld. I hear that the development group is in need of a robot with defense capabilities.
Yes, madam.
I'm sorry, Doctor, but these results must be taken care of by the architects. One day, somebody will be able to carry out your behest.
Cache number 57614. Transmission complete. Concluding data transmission.
So, the truth is clear now, right?
I knew it would appear that they never succeeded. Now only one question remains. Why would Cocolia exhibit such a sudden change in her attitude towards us?
Bronya, are you okay?
I'm fine. I just feel a little faint.
Why?
Why, Mother? Maybe she wasn't aware. Maybe she...
I'm sorry. It's no use lying to yourself, Bronya. It's time for you to make a decision.
Hey, can I have a word with you? I know that we'll need time to process this new information, but we have to decide on our next plan as soon as possible.
Bon, bah voilà. Je suis désolée YouTube, je vais devoir vous faire attendre pour la prochaine vidéo pour la suite. Parce que bah, je vais arriver au temps maximal que mon Streamlab accepte. Du coup, YouTube, je vous dis à bientôt, à la prochaine vidéo.